wanna tell you that I love you.
Alright, now here are two brand new features which Samsung added on One UI 5.1, which are actually hiding inside the settings on your gallery application. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Let's open gallery. I will tap on this menu button. Let me tap on settings. Now all the way down at the bottom, we have got this option called labs. Now this is the gallery labs. This is only for internal tests. The function in labs are not official and can be disappeared. That's what it says. Now this gallery labs is not available on your phone by default. I'll let you know how to enable this. Now let me first open the gallery labs. Now here under One UI 5.1 features, we have got two brand new toggles added. One is support save as PDF. It says making a PDF file with images, which means we will be able to save an image inside the gallery as PDF files. The second feature is support print multiple pictures. We'll be able to print multiple pictures on picture tab. Now I have enabled these two toggles. Let me just go back and show you what exactly these features are all about. The first feature is converting an image into a PDF file. To do this, first we need to select the images. Let me just press and hold on any of these images and select a couple of them. Now here at the bottom left, we have got an option called create. I'll tap on this icon. Now you see here at the bottom, we have got an option save as PDF. Just tap on this. All these images are converted into PDF format and this gets saved inside the files application. Let me show you where exactly this file is available. Let's go to my files. As you can see here on the top, the recently added files are available in which we can see the ones which we just created. And these are by default saved inside the downloads. Let me tap on downloads here. As you can see, the PDF file which we just saved is available right here. So now we can convert a single image or multiple images into a PDF file and save it. That is amazing. Just in case if you want this feature, you can make use of this. The second feature is support for print multiple pictures. We can print multiple images by selecting them under the pictures tab. We will not be able to do it under albums tab. So under the pictures tab, let's select a few images here. Now let me tap on more. As you can see, we have got an option here, print. I'll just tap on this and here it is. We can print multiple images at one go. That is just fantastic. That's a cool addition we have. And these features can be enabled under Gallery Labs. Now to enable Gallery Labs, all you need to do is go to the menu, tap on settings, scroll all the way down. You will see about gallery. Now here, let's tap on about gallery. You will see version number right here. Keep tapping on this version number multiple times until it says Gallery Labs is enabled. As soon as it's enabled, it will be sitting right here at the bottom of the settings menu. Now just keep in mind, whenever you enable the toggles under Gallery Labs, you need to close the application and reopen it to see these features being enabled. So make sure when you enable a feature under Gallery Labs, close the gallery application and then reopen it. You will be able to see those features available. That is all I wanted to share with you guys. Let me know what do you think about these features. Drop a comment and be sure to subscribe to the channel if you are someone who wants to know your phone better. And of course, give this video a like if you find this useful. Thanks for watching. My name is Salian signing off. Cheers. Bye-bye.
I tell you, Papa, too, I'm gonna let everyone